Welcome to DevAssure's Product Knowledge Series. In this first video, we'll explore how to get started with DevAssure. Load DevAssure's website and click on the Get Started Free button. Now, create a DevAssure account by entering your email, username and password. Once you click on Sign Up, you will get a confirmation email. Alternatively, you can sign up with your Google account as well. From your mailbox, click on the Verify Your Email link and this will take you to the Sign In page. Now sign in with the credentials used to sign up. A default organization and a project will be created automatically. You can edit the organization name in order to collaborate with team members within your organization. You can optionally check the box to allow members from the same domain to join the organization. With the free plan, you can create only one project and one user. Additionally, there will only be a limited set of features available with the free plan. To upgrade, go to Subscription and click on Start Free Trial. The trial is available for 15 days, where you get to experience the complete set of features that DevAssure has to offer. Download the DevAssure desktop application. DevAssure supports macOS, Apple Silicon and Intel, Windows and Linux. You can now get started on your automation journey with DevAssure.